Create and edit stock items gets done in the Odyssey back office. So let's start by double clicking on the Odyssey back office icon. Now log in using your Odyssey credentials and then click the OK button. Click on the stock item or the stock drop-down menu at the top of the screen and select Create Edit Stock option. Now we are on the Stock Items tab. Here we can create a new stock item or modify an existing item's details. Let's start off by creating a new product. We can either enter our own stock code or click on the New button located at the bottom left hand side of the screen. If you choose to create your own stock numbers, bear in mind that if you use alphanumeric stock codes, that you can't generate in-house barcodes for those products. Should we choose to use the New function, click on the next open code to allow Odyssey to create a stock code based on the next available numerical stock code. We can now use the Tab button on our keyboard to move from the one field to the next. Push the Tab button to move to the barcode field. If this is a barcoded item you are creating, enter the barcode here. If we require a barcode and the product doesn't have a barcode on it, we can generate an in-house barcode by clicking on the Create Barcode button at the bottom of the screen. Simply choose your desired prefix and click the Create button to let Odyssey create the in-house barcode. The prefix you choose is simply the first two digits of the barcode. Now tab to the Description 1 field and enter the main description for the product here. We are going to start off by creating a beef burger. You will notice that below the Description 1 field, we have a Description 2 field and a button next to it with 3 dots in it. Should we enter Description 2 for our product, we have the option to print this on our customer bill should we enable this feature. The button with the 3 dots allows us to enter Description 3 and 4. These descriptions can be used for label printing purposes and can also be used in restaurant touchscreens environment to display information about a product that will assist the user with making it or to simply supply additional information. The next step is to either create a department to link the item you are creating to, or to simply link the product to an existing department. The department structure is a very important part of an item's creation process because the structure we lay out here will determine how the items are displayed in the restaurant touchscreen. It will also have an impact on our stock takes and stock take list printing, as well as our end of day reporting. Let's click on the Add Department button and create a department for our product. We will start off by creating a major department and then create a sub-1 department branching off from the major department. Right-click on the main department and click Create Major Department. The department number will automatically be populated with the next available number. Enter a major department description. For example, we will use meals as our major department name. You can also set a default markup for the department, a default VAT, and a default discount percentage. Click the Save button to create the major department. Now we are going to create a sub-1 department, which is the department that we want to link our beef burger to. Right-click on the Meals department and click on the Create Sub-1 Department option. We will now type burgers in the sub-1 description field and click the Save button. Now that we have created the department structure, we link our product to the desired department by clicking on the plus sign next to the Meals department and then by double-clicking on the Burgers sub-1 department. We are now returned to the previous screen where we can see the department our product is linked to the right of the Add Department button. The other important criteria at this moment is to assign a cost price and selling price to our product. Either enter the exclusive or inclusive cost price at the bottom left-hand side of the screen and then enter the inclusive selling price at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Now click the Save button next to the New button to save the product. This is now a product we can sell. Because the item we are creating is a burger which consists of a couple of ingredients, the cost price for the product will be calculated by Odyssey based on the cost prices of the items we link to the product. But more about this in a moment.